Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creation, and today I come to you with another Tonic Studios craft kit. This is the one I think everybody is going cuckoo over, and I'm like, let me hurry up and get to this one so I can create this one. This is one of my favorite kits, guys. Oh my gosh, so let's get into it. Y'all probably already seen it several times, but not from me. So let's get these out. I am so stinking excited about this one. Alright, so y'all will definitely be seeing some things from this. Okay, so where's the thing? Alright, I'm going to take this piece out. This is, oh, come on. I'm going to put this on here so I don't forget. This one is called Jingle Bells. Now, I know y'all been seeing everybody show this. So, let's go over the papers first. And these papers, I know there's a whole bunch of glitter and mirror, so I'll be covering those up. Alright, so, this is kit number 73. Oh, they gave us a lot of nice little papers. Okay, so the first one is, go from the back. We have chili red, and they gave us 2 of these. These are perfect. I have to order some more. Matter of fact, I need to do it right after this video because I need more cherry red. I think I only had 1 pack. Oh, I placed 2 orders already, and I forgot I needed this. So I'm going to have to place another order. So I got 2 cherry red. Then we got fern green, and I have this color, so I'm glad that I still have some of that. That is perfect for Christmas, right? Beautiful. Then we have, I'm going to just do those like that. Alright, so we have glitter card, which is gold dust, and I think I have this one, mirror glitter card. I'm going to use this to put on top of these mirror cards, and y'all can see just a little bit of it because I don't want that shine. Alright, so we got 1 piece of each mirror card. We have, I'm going to put them down, holly green, polished gold, ruby red, and chrome silver. Beautiful. Now I know I have chrome silver. I've actually used that on a current project. I'm trying to think. Oh, polished gold. I know I got that one. I don't know if I got ruby red or the holly green. I got some green. I probably do have this one. I don't think I have ruby red. So I'm going to have to order that as well. I'm going to check my stash before I order. But yes, I definitely need more chili red. And I might need these 2, not for sure. But those are what we have in as the paper this time. The cardstock mirror card and glitter card. Beautiful. I will be using those to create my project. Hopefully I have some more up there because I have papers on top of papers. So hopefully I have that. Alright, so the freebies, well, not freebie, you still paid. Oh, we got another oh, yes, another card pack. This one is called Gold Bullion. I'm trying to make sure. Yeah, everybody got the same one. Gold Bullion. So, ooh, that'll be great if I don't have that certain gold. But I gotta look at the other one. I think I got a silver one time. So that'll be perfect. Alright. So, in the 6x6, this is a mirror card collection. Oh, so it will be a mirror card. And we have polished gold, gold pearl, harvest gold, and honey gold. So, let's see. Look at that. Beautiful. And you get, what is it? 4 colors, 6 of each. Oh, I love that one. So, that one is polished gold, I think. Polished gold, because we just saw, I can't remember. This one is honey gold. Look at that. Beautiful. And then I think this one is gold pearl. I might have them wrong, but those are the names. I love how those look. Gold bullion. I love this. Absolutely love it. All right, so those are the papers. And then we got some more low-tack God tape. I love using this. I have the, y'all remember one of my hauls. I bought the combo. So you get this tape dispenser as well. This is low-tack tape, perfect for die cutting. So that die, that small die that you got on there won't move, or when you're doing dies that go inside of each other to cut out an aperture, these are perfect for that. So I had already bought some, and now I got another pack. I think I bought a combo before, and it came with 3 of these packs, the dispenser, and then one tape that was loose for the dispenser. So I already got a lot of these, and I think I had placed another order and got 2 more. So now these things last a long time, and you can reuse them. So it lasts a very long time. I don't need any more of these for a while, unless I get them for free. I'm just throwing them in my little drawer behind me. And then we have, what is this? I think I got these. Dual dot markers. I'm trying to think. I think I do. I think they're right here. Yep, dual dot markers. So I already have them, which is awesome. I love these colors. Same colors. Let me put them in the same order so y'all can see. See, the tips are exactly the same. Matter of fact, I need to put them on my little carousel right here so I can use them. So I'm not opening these, but those are the colors. The colors are it doesn't say. See, they're metallic markers. So I'm assuming you just go off the color. You know, I thought maybe they had a name, but that looks like a pearlescent. Let me see. Let me look at these. Okay, so this one is called Platinum Gold, which is this one. Platinum Gold. Very pretty. This one is Black Pearl. Black Pearl. And then this one is called Empire Gold. Empire Gold, which is that one in the middle. Let me see if I have a piece of paper we can draw a line. I think I did this before, but it doesn't hurt to do it again, right? All right, so this one. Ooh. That one is Empire Gold. Empire Gold. This one is, let's go over it again, Black Pearl. Ooh. I'm going to do it close so y'all can see the shine. And then this one is Platinum Gold. Wow. They're so smooth. What do the other side? Oh! Got a fine tip too. Didn't even know that. Okay, this one is... Okay, so I think this one goes here. Oh, wow. You can see the color real good with that. So let's do that too, because I didn't even realize we had that. Wow. Wow. I didn't even know. It says dual, but I didn't really realize it. Oh, this one seems like it's dried out. So I do need this one. So there we go. I'll put those back. Look at those colors. Can y'all see that? I'm trying to move it so you can see the shine. Wow. So yeah, I will be keeping that because I'm already seeing that one is already out. All right, so I think that is it for that. Let's look at my Nuvo bag. I know I love the Nuvo bag. All right, so let's see what we got here. We have, this time, we have, what is this? Let me see if I can see it on here. Glitterati Gold. This is a glimmer paste. Glimmer paste. Look at all that sparkle, guys. Can y'all see that? That sparkle in there? And it's called a glimmer paste. Glitterific Gold. I'm trying to think, do I have that one? I might. Then we have a glitter drop, and this one is called Honey Gold. Honey Gold. I see the theme here is gold. Wow. I'm keeping them in there just in case I already have it. Ooh, yes. Then I have Chili Red Double Face Satin, and this one is 3mm. Yeah. This is the Double Face Chili Red 3mm. I love this size. Fits and holds very well. And then we got some double-sided red line tape. Awesome. Absolutely love these. Always, I don't like that it sticks to you, the red line when you're cutting. But hey, that's all right. When you're running out of mine, because you know I like score tape. Swoosh Wong, whatever the heck it's called. Y'all know what I'm saying. Sukwong. So, but when you run out, you're waiting on your next item to get here. This works perfectly well. There's nothing wrong with this. And this one is a thin too. Let's see what it says. 3mm. Look how thin that is. That's perfect. Absolutely love that. Alright, so that's what we got in the Nouveau bag. Now, let's get to these dies. Jingle bells. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. I am so ready to get to this. Alright, so let's look at the dies first. I mean the stamps. So the stamps say Merry Christmas. Oh man, I just made something and that would fit perfect on the little tag. I got one, but it's still cute, but dang. If I would have opened this earlier, I would have been able to use that one. It would fit better. So Merry Christmas, joy, jingle bells, peace, love, from me to you. I love that. 'Tis the season, season's greetings, Noel. Absolutely love it. 'Tis the season. I like that. And jingle bells. Huh. Definitely will be using that. So look at these dies, guys. OMG. So I know y'all have seen people posting these, but these right here are used to make the ornament, the bauble. Absolutely love it. I'm loving these designs in it. There's 1, 2, 3. Well, these are the flat end. So you got 1, 2 that'll fit in the flat end. You can tell because it's flat on those ends, and then this is pointy. So that these two go in here. Oh, wait a minute. This one's flat too. So you only got one shape. Or is there more over there? So you only got one shape for the bottom, which is this one. And this one matches this. So if you want to use those together, you got those. But the flat, flat, and flat go on this one. And then you have the solid for that. So you only got one design for the bottom. That's odd. Seemed like you would have had 2 for this one and 2 for that one. And then the hexagon, a tag. This reads joy. This is for like the closure or the top. We'll figure it out. Then, of course, there's instructions. That's the closure tab. That's what it says. Closure tab. All right. And then this side has the bell part. And it looks like it has a base pay, a solid die cut for the pointy part of the bell bauble. Okay, so I forgot what I was saying. My camera cut off again. But anyway, this part makes the bell shape. Somebody, I forgot who it was, but they made the cutest little reindeers with the circle. This circle with these little leaves, branches, and that turned out so cute. So I'll probably do the same thing. That is so adorable. And then this is the layering piece for this. Decorative, some leaves. This is a decorative piece to cut into that. This makes the little topper. That's the hook that goes through there. And okay, so that's a curve and that's straight. So I don't know what the difference is. I have to look it up. Hexagon, and then this is the connector piece for the top and the bottom. Of course, the instructions are on the inside of here. I am so excited, guys, to get a play with these. You know I'm going to do it. So here is a picture of what one of the baubles look like. Super cute. You don't have to do that closure. You can do a magnet, which I'll probably do. And then there's a picture of what the bell turns out to be like. I will be making some of these for my tree. I already talked to my daughter about it. You know, she has to plan what the theme is. And we're doing pink, white, and silver. So definitely going to make some baubles and some bells to hang on the door outside. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I know everybody has run and tried to get this kit. I know it's sold out now. It's not there. But I'm glad I did have it. It was sitting on my shelf waiting for me to do this reveal. So I expect to see these because I need to put them on my tree. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I'm super excited about this kit. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.